So welcome to our free mini course. This is all about how to applique your bag. So hopefully you will have completed quite a few of these different bags now in the collection. And sometimes when you're starting a brand, it's a really nice thing to do is actually like experiment with different ways to customize it, to make it more your own. So applique is basically a way of decorating the surface of the leather, and you're going to be cutting out very small little templates in the thin chrome tanned leather, and then we're sewing it onto the different panels. What you're going to need for doing this is a few different things. You should probably already have them already. We will have included in the free mini course downloadable templates that you could use if you wanted to use our ones. So we've got a fun kind of leopard print style. We've got a polka dot, and this is quite nice because you've actually got the sort of shaping of how you might want to place it, but you could do it a bit more organically as well if you wanted. And then these cute little rectangles. So you could always just design your own ones as well. This isn't really about me dictating to you how to do it. I just want to sort of show you the process and give you some ideas to sort of inspire you. So we're going to be starting with, the first thing to do is actually spray with some glue, so the spray glue, onto some cards. So this stiffens it. So these are the things that you're going to need. You will have printed this out or designed your own. You'll want your spray mount glue or some kind of spray glue. You'll want some nice card, something that's got quite a bit of stability, because the idea of what we're doing is gluing this onto here, then we cut them out, and then we actually use those as templates to sort of draw onto the leather. So some kind of heavyweight. Now, if you don't have manila card, you could always use an old cornflakes packet or something like that. You just improvise with what you got at home. And then we will need a pen and some scissors, because you're going to be cutting out your leather, and you need to be really delicate when you're cutting this out. And then also awl, so it'll be a pen or an awl, depending on what colour leather you're using as to what will show up best. And then we will also need some glue, because you're going to be gluing it onto the surface of the leather.